Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. These tools will help you safely open the device and replace the battery without causing damage. Start by turning off your Surface Pro 5 completely. It's important to disconnect it from any power source to prevent electrical issues. Now, place the device face down on a clean, flat surface to get a good working area. Using the suction cup, gently pull up on one corner of the device's back cover. This will create a small gap where you can insert the plastic spudger. Insert the spudger into the gap and carefully slide it along the edge to release the clips holding the back cover in place. Take your time here, rushing can lead to breakage. Once the back cover is removed, you'll see the battery compartment. Look for the screws securing the battery. These are usually Torx T5 screws. Using your Torx T5 screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. If you're unsure about removing the screws, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, just reach out. With the screws removed, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. There might be adhesive keeping it in place, so you may need to wiggle it slightly. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Once the battery is out, take a moment to clean the area with a soft brush or a microfiber cloth to remove any dust or debris. This ensures proper contact when you install the new battery. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connectors in the compartment. Press it down gently until it clicks into place. Secure it with the Torx T5 screws you previously removed. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your device serviced without any hassle. After securing the battery, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Check all sides to ensure it's snugly fitted. Finally, power on your Surface Pro 5. Make sure it boots up correctly and that the battery is recognized. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced the battery. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in costs and services. In summary, replacing the battery in your Surface Pro 5 requires a few tools and a gentle touch. Follow these steps, and you'll have a functioning device in no time. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.